why is it that so many guys, hit their 60s and suddenly feel like their bodies are just fading away? Welcome to This Explainer. Have you ever looked in the mirror and realized your body is quietly eating its own muscle? Because, man, it is a terrifying feeling. But hey, stick around. I'm going to show you exactly how men over 60 can build some serious muscle using high protein meals. We are going to completely flip the script on aging today. And honestly, the best part, we're going to do the whole shebang with absolutely zero cooking.
I know I did. A few years back, my own strength was just plummeting. I mean, just getting out of a low chair felt like an absolute chore. And honestly, I was terrified of losing my independence. It really hit me right in the gut. But I just refused to accept it. Eventually, I found this completely zero-friction system that rebuilt a rock-solid physique and literally brought my energy back from the dead. So I'm going to give you that exact daily blueprint. Yeah, the one doctors rarely mention right at the end of this explainer. So definitely keep your eyes locked right here. The sheer silent theft happening in our bodies right now is, well, it's mind-blowing. Science actually has a name for it. It's called sarcopenia. Basically, we naturally lose 1 to 2% of our muscle mass every single year after age 60. That's crazy, right? It crushes our testosterone, it wrecks our balance, and worst of all, it straight up steals our independence. And the kicker is, you don't even feel it happening day to day until suddenly, carrying the groceries feels like an Olympic sport. But here's the absolute crucial point. Reversing this sarcopenia thing doesn't require slaving over a hot pan. It just requires being smart. See, your muscles really only need one major trigger to flip the switch on muscle protein synthesis, and that's an essential amino acid called leucine. If you hit that 2.5 to 3 gram mark, your body literally says, okay, time to build muscle. It really is that simple. We don't need heat to make this happen, we just need the right building blocks. Now, when I first saw this raw data from the malnutrition pathway, it completely blew my mind. You might think you need to eat less as you get older, right? But aging bodies actually need more protein just to maintain what they already have. We're talking 1.2 to 1.6 grams per kilogram of body weight. And yeah, that is a hefty daily goal for an average guy. But take a look at those everyday high-protein numbers. You can totally hit them and get strong without ever touching a frying pan. Man, I used to be totally fed up with it all. I'd spend like 2 hours on this brutal Sunday meal prep, packing dozens of little plastic containers just to hit my macros. It absolutely sucked. So, let's compare that old way of brutal meal prep versus my new, kind of lazy but lethal hack. 90 seconds, a few pull tabs, and a spoon. Seriously, that is literally all it takes to get premium, muscle-building nutrition into your system. No scrubbing pots, no wasted weekends. So this brings us to our new reality, busting the whole myth that you need heat to get real nutrition. Listen closely to this, because your muscles absolutely do not care about the stove. They honestly don't care if you spent 2 hours roasting a whole chicken or 2 seconds opening a plastic container. Your muscle tissue only cares about one thing, amino acid availability. That is it. It's a biological transaction, guys, not a culinary arts competition. Okay, let's dive into the actual arsenal here. These foods are absolute no-brainers. A simple $2 can of plain sardines and olive oil, that gives you complete protein, plus testosterone-boosting vitamin D and omega-3s that actively reduce muscle inflammation. Boom! Then you've got full-fat plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. These bad boys are just loaded with slow-digesting casein protein, giving you up to 28 grams a cup. It steadily feeds your muscles for hours, keeping you right in that anabolic state. And whatever you do, don't sleep on edamame. Just 1 cup gives you 17 grams of plant protein, plus magnesium, which is, absolutely crucial for regulating the cellular environment where that muscle growth actually happens. Now here is where it gets really interesting. Stacking these heavy hitters. Take pre-peeled hard-boiled eggs from literally any grocery store, or even a gas station. 6 of them give you 36 grams of complete protein. And listen, you gotta eat the yolks. They provide the exact cholesterol your body uses to produce testosterone. Then there's canned tuna. We're talking pure protein with almost no fat. It gets you to that leucine threshold instantly, flipping that muscle-building switch right on. But here is the ultimate hack, canned salmon. The EPA and DHA in salmon actually make your muscle cells more sensitive to that leucine we talked about earlier. It's literally like putting premium gas in a sports car. Okay, real talk time. This is the hidden solution I promised you at the very start of this explainer. You know the foods now, but how do you actually put them together without, overcomplicating your life? Well, here is my exact daily blueprint. This is exactly how I stack everything to trigger growth, protect my joints, and just skyrocket my energy.
all without washing a single pan.
This right here is the game-changer daily habit. Step 1, breakfast is just a bowl of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt mixed with a handful of raw oats. Takes maybe 30 seconds and you start the day with 30 grams of solid protein. Step 2, the anabolic lunch. Pop a can of wild-caught salmon and just mash it up with half an avocado. Zero cooking, massive omega-3s. And step 3, a completely zero-prep dinner for when you are just, completely wiped out. Some thawed edamame and a few pre-peeled hard-boiled eggs. Doing this guarantees your body stays in a positive nitrogen balance all night while you sleep. I'm telling you, it's foolproof. I'll leave you with this final thought, straight from my own personal journey. I really had to learn this the hard way, back when I was feeling tired, weak, and just super unmotivated. Low energy does not mean low nutrition. In fact, when you're exhausted, that's exactly when you need this premium fuel the most. The grocery store has literally already done all the prep work for you. All the friction, it's gone. So the rest is on you. Are you ready to drop the excuses and start building your body back today?